Hi guys, so here's how to make a bundle with Zenler. So I'm going to click on my courses and I'm going to click on bundles. So I'm going to create a new bundle and I'm going to call this bundle with all my courses, and my subtitle, lots of courses. Obviously you should be a lot more descriptive than that. This is just a test bundle, so let's carry on. Okay, so at this page, this is the contents page, so it's what's going to be included in your bundle. So I'm just going to pick both my courses. And we're going to pick it from the drop down menu, and then I'm going to click add to course. There we go, and so I've got both my courses in there. I can also click on this and drag it down, so if I want to change the order of the bundle. And now I'm going to click on pages. So this is the sales funnel again. So for example, it goes to the sales page and then the checkout page and then the thank you page. You can double that up as a upsell page. So you might have an ebook or something like that, for example, that you want to add in. And then the course access page, which is the final step, and that's where the actual course is. So if you want to edit any of these, just click on this button here and it will take you to the page editor. So for example, this is a thank you page. If you wanted to add a upsell block, for example, you can click on this add new block button here. And for example, here's your upsell block. I've not got any coupons set up, so I won't do that at the moment, but there's a tutorial on how to add an upsell block earlier on in the course. So if you're looking for that, that's where you'd do it. Now let's just go back.